Apple promised that iOS 27 will make your iPhone faster. And as the NPC wage cut who still uses the peasant, disgusting iPhone 12, I was excited. I will show you what it's actually like to use the public beta out there in the real world and answer 3 questions. Does it actually make your phone faster? Are there any bugs? And is it worth installing? As soon as you install the beta, the first thing they ask you to do is to adjust the liquid glass effect. And man, I can't wait to test all the cool new features, and it looks pretty much exactly the same. Unfortunately, none of the cool new features like Siri AI and all that editing stuff made it to this phone. The only new features I noticed was having a separate volume for the alarm, tiny clock, and adjusting the liquid glass. That was pretty much it. Here we are, and I saw this beautiful, and that was a perfect excuse to test the camera launching speed. Yeah, there is a bit of a difference, and in general, the camera just seems a lot snappier compared to before, so that's cool. And so far, I don't notice any difference in the battery life, but we'll keep an eye on that. And damn, is it beautiful out here, and let's appreciate nature by using our phones. Now, Apple says that the update will open apps up to 30% faster. Let's run a speed test. A quick disclaimer, I updated the software a couple of days ago, so the indexing, which is basically the process of the phone kind of adapting to the beta software, is all done. It's a bit inconsistent. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slow, but overall, I would say the OS feels smoother. But when you're actually inside of an app, which is what, actually matters, there isn't any difference at all. Man, where there is a massive difference, it's with AirDrop, okay? Bro, Apple was not lying with this. On 26, this 4K video file took 10 seconds to AirDrop to my Mac, and on the beta, it only took 4 seconds. That's almost twice as fast. And overall, when it comes to the performance improvements, there's nothing groundbreaking, right? In fact, I think the reason why 27 feels so snappy is because of how much of a disaster 26 was on all the devices. Smash like and subscribe if you also spent your Friday evening talking to yourself about unreleased software. Now, after a long day of running performance tests on unoptimized software out in the sun, I'm sure the battery is just crying for its mother. And yeah, sort of, but so was the case on 26. For my experience, the battery has remained pretty much exactly the same. And when it comes to bugs, apart from a couple of aesthetic glitches, it seems to be just as stable as 26. So should you update to the beta? Yes, if you just can't stand iOS 26 and it's just laggy and it's just destroying your phone, and just then sure. Remember, please update your phone either with iCloud or just back up to your computer. To everyone else who is fine with iOS 26 and doesn't really have any complaints, just wait for the official version. It's less than 2 months away, and click here to find out why the iPhone 4 saved my ugliness, and over here to see why you have been lied to about budget phones. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you very much. See you soon. God bless. Good night. And of course, it's starting to rain.
Keeps on coming back to me.